No more gambling, just systematic upgrading. Find the purple line support, that's a discount, kid. Paying all your monthly bills, that's the knowledge I give.
Apld, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the stock market show. Hit that like button for me, guys. You guys are not hitting the like button, and it's disappointing because I give you all this analysis, and you don't even hit the like button for me. Let's talk about Apld, up 11% on the day. No, this is not sped up. I'm just very excited, and I'm probably out of breath because I shouldn't be talking this fast without taking some breaths. Okay, let me slow down. Let me slow down. I mean, I was also working out a little bit, and I was like, I saw the news, and I'm like, oh crap, let's see what's going on here. So finally, it's moving. So many people were telling me, hey, why isn't Apld moving? When is it moving? I'm like, guys, relax. It'll get its turn, right? SoundHound hasn't moved either. It'll get its turn, guys. A bull run does not mean everything goes up to the moon together. Some stocks are going to move quicker than others. Some are going to take a while. That's just how it is, right? Sybil doesn't move 300% right away. It takes, sometimes it can take a whole year, but it moves. That's the most important thing. It moves even if it takes a year to make that 300%. It comes, it happens. You just got to be patient. You've already been patient through the bear market, through the crash. Some of you joined the Discord at the, believe it or not, some people joined at the start of the bear market. So all you got to see is everything go down. And you experienced how horrible it is to sit there and just watch everything go down and be able to make not much of anything. You've been through that. You've already had 7 months of patience, right? We started taking in October, November, December, January, February, March, April, right? Goddamn, right? That's you waited all this time. Now you are being rewarded. I wouldn't sell just yet. Let's see how far it's going to go. I'm not going to chase. I do have 300 shares with covered calls, so they're probably going to get called away at a profit. So I'm still going to make money off of Apld. But again, I'm going to chase the one that hasn't been pumping yet, right? SoundHound right now, it's not moving. So what do you think I'm buying? That's what I'm focused on right now. NVTS already moved. We were calling that one under 10. Apld, we were telling you guys buy under 30, buy at 20s. SoundHound, I'm telling you buy under 10 and hold for 15, 20. You're seeing the fruits of your labor of going through the pain of the bear market, and now you're going to be rewarded with the gain, right? No pain, no gain. Now you got all the gains coming. This is easy money, guys. Do not overthink it. What I would look out for, motivational things aside, what I would look out for is $42. Once we go to 42, look for that breakout above 42. 42, we go to 50. And I told you guys several times, I was always pounding the table telling you, man, if we break 42, we go to 50. 50, I mean, from there, sky's the limit. We'll see how far it goes. We have some fantastic news. That's why it is moving up 11%. My cat is, is Apld a buy? Is it a buy, buddy? He meowed, so that's probably a yes. Is Apld a buy? He just smelled the mic, gave it a sniff. But yeah, little buddy here, he's saying, yeah, I think it's probably a good sign. I think Apld is probably going to go to, it's probably going to go to 50. I mean, as soon as he heard the words Apld, he popped in and he's like, hey, heard about that Apld. So the cat says yes. So if you were buying under 20, I mean, around 20s, in the 20s or under 30, you just hold. You wouldn't want to sell right now. The only reason you would sell is if this thing decides to dump by end of day. I just don't see it happening with the kind of news that has come out. So let's take a look at the news here. It's a big announcement here, very relevant because they have a 15-year lease agreement with a new U.S.-based high investment grade hyperscaler at its Delta Forge 1 campus. The lease covers 200, I assume, milliwatts of critical IT load and represents approximately $7.5 billion, and that's a lot of money. $7.5 billion. This is just the beginning, guys. This is just getting started. Everything's still being built out. This is just the beginning. I think that's it. I was hoping they'd be like, by the way, we're going to get, they're probably going to get more of these. I mean, this is just an example of, if they're getting these kind of contracts right now for 15 years time frame, I imagine they're going to get more of these in the future. So let's see if Apld wants to get that pump to 40 then 50. But again, when this thing dips, you know what to do. Buy that dip under 30 and hold for the next pump. It will happen. It will come. As always, you got to be patient, be disciplined, and you will be rewarded. I will see you guys in the next video.